Hey, it's Deanne here. How are you? I want to show you how to make one of the salads on the liver cleanse. It's called the curried broccoli chickpea salad. Super yummy. I love this salad. It's super easy to have. It's great to eat all by itself, or you can have it as a side with some soup, or even with some salmon or some chicken, whatever you like. So here's the base of my salad. I've chopped up a lot of organic broccoli, and there's cilantro, carrots, and green onion in here. I'm going to add my garbanzo beans or chickpeas for some nice protein. And it calls for almonds. I just don't have any almonds, so I'm going to put in some pistachios for some crunch. The great thing about these recipes is if you're creative in the kitchen, you can do whatever you want to. You can edit these recipes however you feel appropriate. But if you really don't do a lot of cooking, then follow the recipes. They're absolutely wonderful. So we're pouring in some pistachios. And then I've already made up my salad dressing. This dressing has some tahini, it has some maple syrup, it has curry powder, it has turmeric, lots of wonderful things. And again, I think I told you in a previous video that I love to use these old herb jars as containers to make my salad dressing because they're super easy to shake up and then just pour onto your salad. And then you can just keep them on the countertop whenever you need them. So I'm not going to pour this on yet because I've made such a large bowl. So I am going to toss the salad and then put a small amount in a bowl, and that's what I'm going to have for lunch. So try it out. Super, super wonderful. I would love for you to join me on the liver cleanse. We already have a lot of great people, and it's going to be fun. It starts February the 7th, which is a Monday. It's a 3-week program. The first week is basically you decreasing your caffeine and your sugar intake while you take 2 supplements that are getting things moving in your body, moving your lymph and getting you a little bit more regular, because we want you to be having 1 to 2 bowel movements a day for the actual cleanse. The second and third week, you'll be changing your diet and adding in another supplement specifically for your liver and kidneys. So it's a wonderful way to kickstart your metabolism, get rid of your sugar cravings, just increase your energy and start to feel wonderful again. I hope you join us. I'll put the link below so you can find out all of the information about the liver cleanse. Have a wonderful day.